Alright guys, thanks for the quick fill. This is for the Refrigerator Perry 101 auto here. It is 7:38 p.m. Let's go ahead and copy our list here. Go live. What is this doing there? I don't need that. Yeah, I do. What am I doing? Paste our list. Jack on top, Jack on bottom. 7:38. Let's roll our dice. 11. 11 on the dice. 7:38. Going 11 times. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10, spot 6, Eric, 739. 11 on the dice. Last and final click. Good luck. Spot number 7, Steve. 10 items, 11 times, 739. 11 on the dice. Again, spot 7, Steve takes it. Again, guys, I do appreciate the fill. We are done.